Hello, welcome back again with me here, Lina Dichiera at Great Home Kitchen and Garden. Today I'm going to show you that I picked Lebanese cucumber from my backyard garden. Come on, I'll show you. Look at this. It's Lebanese cucumber that I harvest in one day. There's so many. It's amazing, right? If you see the small size, don't pick it. You just only pick where is the right size, about 8 to 10 inches or 10 to 12 inches like that. I love Lebanese cucumber, especially home growing cucumber, and because the texture and the taste is so nice, crunchy and juicy, and it's very nice to make it salad, and then you can make a pickle too, and many more dishes that you can create it out of it. All right, so the Lebanese cucumber normally we plant in the summer season, in the warm weather, and when you plant it, you have to put this support around it so they can climb up and produce a lot of food out of it, and you need to put a lot of water too. Now I show you how to pick Lebanese cucumber from my backyard garden. I use the scissors and cut where is the stem is. Normally when harvesting, it's the best to not pull the fruit of the vine, and pulling them off can snap the vine in the half and seriously jeopardize the remainder of your crops. So use to cut the cucumber off with the pointing pair like a scissors or secateur. Ensure you permit a small amount of the stem attached to the fruit. Alright. Look at this one, it's a perfect size. See, it's very nice, aren't they? Yeah, put it in the flat basket. And here is a small size. You have to gently cut on the stem. Be careful not to damage the small cucumber there. And place it to the flat basket. And look at all this cucumber. There are plenty. They produce a lot out of this one plant. Okay, so I choose the bigger size here. Yeah, here approximately about 6 to 8 inches. This one, yeah, it's a nice size. And here at the back here too, yeah, that one is a nice size too. They got scar because they're scratching between the stem, and this one too. some of them touch to the ground. Yeah, it's a little bit tiny, but they're ready to pick. This one. They are nice, aren't they? So this one is touched to the ground. The skin a little bit damaged, but they're still eatable. Like there are a lot of dirt, but you can wash it after that, and you can peel the skin, and it still tastes really nice. And this one is perfect size, and this one too. They all look amazing. So here, if you plant 1 or 2 or 3 plants of Lebanese cucumber, will be enough for you to use everyday food that you needed. Make some vegetable ingredient like a salad, like a pickling, or many more recipe. Thank you for watching, and give a thumbs up and share our video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.